lousy world, this lousy people, this lousy government, this lousy everything. Lousy weather, lousy blah, 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 blah. Pissed off, like it's too hot in here, it's too cold, don't like the smell, and the person's too tall in front and too fat next to me, and they're wearing perfume and I'm allergic, and just, yeah.
A medical scientist, they say anger, hatred, or constant anger, hatred, fear is actually eating our immune system.
I'm going to get rid of her and get rid of him and get the temperature right, and I'm going to, ban perfume in the world, and there will be nothing that bothers me anywhere. I am going to get rid of everything, including mosquitoes, that bothers me anywhere in the world, and then I will be a very happy, content person. We're laughing, but it's what we all do. That is how we do approach things.
Almost like we got homesick. We are looking for our true nature, true home, every day, every breath.
An undifferentiated longing, just a generalized longing that is not altogether disagreeable. That is a kind of fuel, a kind of energy.
What is the nature of life itself? Isn't it time we had to look at it?
Its nature is that openness that you see. So this isn't something you have to develop. It's not something that you meditate a long time and then you see it. It's in every moment. You can just turn and look and see and open into that vastness. It's something that's really present everywhere for everyone. And it's not only present for human beings. This condition is universal. All beings have it as their source.
Come out of your own little world to begin to actually see the limitless potential of conjuring and creation that your mind has.
It is something that's there. It is in everybody. It is in everyone.
And an identity we hold on as what we think we are is pure survival. It's a limitation.
The happiness that we previously sought in activities, substances, states of mind, relationships, and never fully found there, has now been discovered to be part of our essential nature, not really part of our essential nature, a quality of our essential nature, this sense of fulfillment, this sense of absence of lack.
That thing can bring only through sincere, compassionate attitude. So we can learn more things from animals rather than human beings. The animals, they don't care whether that person is rich or poor, whether that person is this color, that color, this religion or that religion, or non-believer. They do not know, don't care. But they care very much. The other person's sort of attitude. Affectionate attitude, sincere, not lying, not cheating, that these animals also very much appreciate.
You find out that even ideas like being and non-being, birth and death, coming and going, are wrong ideas. If you can touch reality in depth, you realize that suchness, means the ultimate reality is free from birth, from dying, from coming, from going, from being, from non-being.
It's fundamental to our purpose to allow that there is no negation and that it is here to be lived, also after death. Together with the absence, because even in that absolute sense of absence, there is this awareness. The awareness of absence. Maybe it's the purest awareness, the absent awareness.
So freedom is not an experience. It is a state of being, not becoming. That's an observation.
Everybody, to some degree, I'm pretty sure, at least most people, have at some point in their life experienced a single moment, and just a single moment, of wholeness with a, maybe it's a sunrise or sunset, and it's for a moment they've been lost in it. But the realisation of something of a greater nature has appeared within them.
And what's important and what's defining are the things that we all share: love, unity, togetherness. As long as we have cultural narratives that eschew these ideas, that suppress these ideas in favour of negative human traits, greed, selfishness, lust, as long as these ideas are promoted, we'll exist in opposition to one another and will be exploitable by corporations that prey upon these negative facets.
You find that the void is not completely empty, but very much full of potential. And we can observe it as we come out of it each time, the building up of the separate world into duality, and how each self is formed as an ego. And seeing how the nature it is that, and its basic nature is that of nurturing and caring, and how it changes by concept and idea into something dirty. But by the continual process of visiting the outcome, each time it goes, it brings it up a little higher and a little higher, this nurturing, loving kindness.
Will you know it when you're free?